And so if you find yourself like stocking up on produce, but then life gets in the way and you're finding this produce going bad, the best thing that can save your butt is a food dehydrator. So if I find that like, oh, I just bought 2 cartons of spinach, but I'm going on vacation, like I just spaced it that I'm going on vacation or I'm going out of town for the weekend, I don't want this all to go bad. So what I'll do is I'll just dump all this into the different dehydrator trays, and then I'll dehydrate it overnight. For carrots and cucumbers, you're just going to slice them really thinly. You can even use the slicing blade on your food processor. And then sprinkle with a little bit of sea salt. Those are perfect to add in soups or for little veggie snacks. The spinach is what I do most often. You can pile it pretty high on your dehydrator tray and it will dehydrate way down into just a little bit. And then for apples, I go ahead and just slice them and put them right in on slices. I like, if I'm doing something with salt, I like to keep it on the bottom so any salt that falls down doesn't fall on my apples. Red Delicious apples are kind of mushy for eating, so we like them dried or made into juice or applesauce. And so now we have all of our produce, so we make sure it doesn't go bad, and we are just going to dehydrate. We're just going to dehydrate that on medium overnight or about 12 hours.